In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF in Constant Contact. If you've ever wondered how to share something like a PDF with your email recipients, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and break it down step by step so you can do this effortlessly. First, we'll begin by uploading your PDF file to your Constant Contact account. Start by logging into your account and heading over to your library. This will be the main storage hub for your files, including PDFs, images, and other documents you might want to add to your email campaigns. Once you're there, make sure you choose the Upload option and then select the PDF file from your computer that you'd like to use. After you successfully upload the file, it will be stored in your library, readily accessible whenever you need it. Now, let's move on to incorporating this PDF into your email. It's important to note that Constant Contact doesn't allow direct email attachments. Instead, what it does is provide you with a hosted link that your recipients can click on to view or download your document. This approach helps ensure your emails get through without any issues, as attachments can sometimes trigger spam filters. Next, open your email editor. Here, you'll need to decide how you want to present your PDF link. It can be a text block prompt, an image that people click on, or even a button that stands out to your readers. Once you've decided, click on the section within your email where you want the link to appear. Now, locate and click on the link icon. It's typically represented as a small chain link symbol in your toolbar. After clicking the link icon, you'll be presented with several linking options. Choose Document from this list. This step is important because it tells Constant Contact you want to link to one of the files stored in your library rather than an external website. Now, simply select your uploaded PDF from the library. Constant Contact will generate a unique link for you to insert into your email. To wrap things up, it's always good practice to preview your email before sending it out. Check the link to ensure it directs you to the correct PDF and that everything looks just as you want it. This small step can save you from potential mistakes and ensure your email is polished and professional when it reaches your audience. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully include a PDF in your Constant Contact emails. It's a straightforward process that keeps your emails clean and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring, and happy emailing!